Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is 2014 Chevy Malibu LS. This car, as soon as you start it, the fan kick on, and it goes slowly, and the speed increase, or just you can say that the fan is working with no, like without any command, like just you cannot see overheat or anything. Just the fan will start working. So what I'm gonna do here is we're trying to tablet is 100%. Okay. We need to know why the fan is working all the time. For example, this is a car, and what we need to do is we're gonna go here, the Chevrolet. We're gonna create. Do you want to do a standard diagnose? No. Enter repair order, because I need to do a pre-scan. Setting pre-post on, report upload to cloud, manual or automatic. I'm gonna go automatic here. Let me see if I can put automatic. I was gonna say there is some others, but let me go back. I gotta go to diagnose. I was there already, but I don't know why it take me out of there. Gonna go here, auto detect. I see something there, cancel. I want to know what is say there. Chevrolet. I want to go here, repair order. Why does it want to take? Standalone diagnose, no pre-post, cancel. Okay, you can put manual input, auto detect. Let me go here. I don't know why it doesn't want to take that way. Chevrolet. I don't know why it doesn't want to give me this. Cancel. Before it's supposed to work. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna try to see Chevrolet. Before it will tell you that okay, it would do pre-post, so it doesn't want to do it. So let me go to standalone. Say okay. If automatically send it to cloud is good. It's 2.5 liter. Okay, no problem.
All right.
So when you come, I give it to him.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
You have a beautiful. He know what you need to do, right?
Yeah, he know the radiator.
Okay.
The radiator.
No problem. Be
And
safe.
if you can reset the computer for me, like, you see what you're doing there? Just reset it.
We don't do that on BMW and Mercedes-Benz. We have to scan it, save it, and then there is a...
Forget about the save. The car cannot mess. The computer can't mess up the way he messed up.
I don't know what happened, but what I gotta tell him so he know what's gonna do.
Yeah, even when you put it in sports, his computer is messed up.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Auto scan. I'm gonna go to auto scan. I want to see what's going on here. Sorry, I delay you for a little while. I try to get used to this computer or try to understand how does it work. But body control module, I have one code. Okay, if fast ignition is on. Brake booster vacuum sensor. Invalid receive from body control module. Active grill air shutter performance. Heat headlamp control unit circuit. Headlamp, right headlamp, tail light, tail lamp, left rear turn signal. Lost communication with the engine control module. Who lost body? Lost communication. Okay, I don't see anything, so I'm gonna go to my report to cloud. License plate, I just say I'm gonna report this one here. If you don't print this report, you will anything you do here is automatically in the cloud. That means if you clear those code, you will not get it again. So if you wanna leave this report there, you have to come out again. Okay, completely come out. Okay, say come out, say yes, and then say okay. Say exit, yes. Escape. Automatic detection again. Say okay. This is a new report. This one, the first report, will be saved. You can print it out, or you can do anything on it, because you already emailed it, so it's there. It's gonna be a different report. Now it's gonna be another report. Okay. Okay. Auto scan. Full scan. Quick race. Maybe there is a shadow or information saying that the cooling sensor or something is no good. Now I clear everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to start it now. Temperature already there. I don't know how much the temperature is, but let me go to the engine now. The fan is start working already. Do you have any trouble code? No. No code, okay. Data. Display data. Immobilizer, exhaust, oxygen sensor, ignition, fuel, alcohol, instrument, engine cooling fan. Engine cooling is good, it gives you details. Engine coolant temperature sensor 219. I just started now. Engine coolant temperature sensor is reading 217.
You want this?
That's a lot. Alhamdulillah. Okay, we have one thing that your engine coolant temperature sensor is reading 219 already value. Why is read? Okay, everything there good. Ambient temperature is good. Coolant fan relay command 1 is on. Coolant fan relay 2. Cooling fan relay 2 off. Heater coolant pump relay command. Heater, everything good. AC request no. AC compressor off. AC compressor clutch okay. Everything here look okay. So this car here, AC high pressure is perfect. I didn't put AC on, so let me put the AC on. I want to see what's gonna happen. I put the AC on. You see the pressure going up. 50, 54. This is AC side pressure sensor. See, 52. But here, startup AC by engine start, just start to 217. This car, water pump was changed. Thermostat was changed. Water pump was changed, thermostat was changed. This car, and also don't forget this car, it has a coolant sensor. I don't know where it is, but there's a coolant sensor. But that was not the problem. Our problem is here. Let me take the car out, and let me see if I can take this one out here, because if you don't take this one out, the cover will not come out, I believe. So I'm taking this one out here. I'm gonna put it here. Where is the cover? Let me cover it. Those are the coil in the car, and we have to come here. Coolant temperature sensor is mounted. Yeah, it's there. So if you want to take it out, you have to move it. Also, I can do one thing. You can, you see, to pull it out, you have two wires, and then and then change it. I'm not sure if, but that's the piece, and it's sitting there, and it's reading from the test. It's reading almost too high. Is there any other one? I don't believe so, but that's the cooling temperature sensor. Let me see on the data where it is or how we're gonna locate it. Okay, if you want to locate it correctly, come here. We already know the temperature is very high. It's 221, and there is no code. Okay, gonna go back here. Okay, so there is no other way to check it. Let me disconnect it and see what happened. Engine coolant temperature. We don't need to do any test. You see the value there. It's supposed to be normal, 50 room temperature, 56, 57, 80. We are in winter here, so we have this issue here. We're gonna leave it. I'm gonna see if I can order the part, and we take it from there.